Hey guys, it's Jennie Wallach with the Wallach Group, Keller Williams Realty. I am here today at 9123 East 76th Place in the Villages of Highland Park. It's one of our amazing listings that I just wanted to show to you in person and do a little walking tour. It's a very sunny day, so I'm hiding behind the tree here, and I'm gonna step out and give you a broad view of the front of the house, give you a tour inside, and then also show you the backyard. That is amazing. So let's go. This wonderfully maintained home in this gated neighborhood, Union Schools, Jarman Elementary, is so beautiful. The sellers have taken such good care of this home. Not all the homes in this neighborhood have a 3-car garage, and this one does, so that is definitely some added value right there. Also, something to note is these sellers also were so proactive in getting this home listed and on the market that they had inspections performed in advance and made any updates or repairs that were needed. And they also, as you can see here, I'm showing you the office space, which could also be used as a formal living or another downstairs office space if you needed it as well. And then over here is the big open kitchen. And what I was saying and sharing with you is that they performed inspections in advance. They also had an appraisal done in advance, and the appraisal came in $10,000 higher than where it is currently priced. They were, again, proactive in being motivated, purposeful sellers, that they priced the home to make sure that it could sell fast. It's now listed at $300,000. It appraised for $310,000 just a few months ago. Of course, that is on file if you'd like to see it, as well as pre-inspections. Because they've been here and love this home, it is in just great condition. As you can see through the backyard there, we've got a swimming pool, in-ground pool, which is another feature that's definitely not normal for this neighborhood. If you've been shopping for a pool in South Tulsa, you know that it's hard to find. Here's just a circle view of what's going on here downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and run you back to the master bedroom, which is also downstairs. You can see there's nice hardwood floors. Here's the utility room that goes with some great storage that goes out to the 3-car garage. You can tell that they also had carpets cleaned and really just ready for the next owner to move right in. A jetted tub, standing shower. You've got dual sinks here. Again, lots of storage, neat and clean. And a nice big master closet all the way around here. Lots and lots of space. Now I'll just walk back up so you can get the full feel of how this house flows. And now I'll just take you upstairs. So 3,100 square feet, a little over 3,100 square feet. It's got 1 bedroom down and an office type space as well. Upstairs you can see a huge game room. Could easily set this up with a pool table or any other activities. We've got 1 bedroom with a really oversized closet, a full bath here with a tub as well. Another bedroom over here, nice and spread out if you did have some kiddos who needed their space. Large closet, and then down there is another bathroom. This one's a Jack and Jill because this room is the third bedroom up, and it has dual sinks and a shower, and it does have a closet right there. However, this could also be, if you didn't need a third bedroom upstairs, this could be an awesome media room. Just close it off there. So since we're upstairs and off to the back, I'm gonna just show you the backyard from this view. We've got in-ground pool and a green space back there. No one's gonna be right behind you. And now let's just walk to the backyard where you can definitely visualize nice fall weather, sitting on the back patio, enjoying your beautiful Oklahoma evening. Covered patio, extended concrete. We got some brick all around the back here. Nice landscaping. You can again just tell that they love this home and really took great care of it. There's your pool. It's still hot. It would still feel so good to jump inside of that pool right now, wouldn't it? Give you a view of some more green if you need some lawn for pets. And here's the back view of the house. Thanks for coming along on my walking tour of our great listing here. If you have any questions about this home, would like to set up a private showing, we'd be honored to help you do that. Or if you have any questions in general about real estate, my number is 918-706-9845. Have a great day. Bye.